Wealth management is about helping our clients grow, protect, and unlock the value of their wealth for generations to come. For us, this starts by getting to know the unique stories of each of our clients and understanding what their aspirations are for themselves and for their families into the future. While every client's journey is unique, behind every single one of them is a story of vision, decades of hard work, and deliberate planning for the future. This is what drives and inspires us every day. In Union Bank, we want to be a trusted partner from the very beginning, supporting our clients as they start their businesses and personal financial journeys. Our holistic and forward-thinking approach enables us to go beyond the traditional offerings of a local bank. Through strategic partnerships, we extend global capabilities and networks. Through our digital leadership, we also offer future-forward platforms and a wide range of asset management and investment options. At the core of this commitment is our greatest asset, our people. Our wealth management experts are trained by world-class institutions and bring proven experience in delivering personalized advisory and exceptional service to our clients. The Philippines is primed for a growing middle class with more investable income. We are excited about the future of wealth management in the Philippines as it brings to us the opportunity to deliver world-class investments and services to a broader market, balancing the right blend of high-tech with high-touch. Technology now affords us the ability to deliver wealth management opportunities to a broader client base by leveraging data and technology platforms. This is the next frontier, and Union Bank wants to be front and center in bringing this to our clients.